We're here at Andrew Belle Splash Pad and Pool today. Before we had a concrete pad, and now you walk up, you've got the colors, it's just spectacular when you walk up.
This is very much needed. It's a great amenity to have in this neighborhood, let alone the city, but it also needed a lot of love. And so the thought that we could possibly update it was just something fun to even think about. And then the day she called me and said, guess what, you're not gonna believe it, we got it, was the best day.
The city of Dothan entered a contest called Make a Splash Contest with life floor and inside edge safety surfacing. And we won first prize in the nation. So we're really proud. Yes. We are really proud to have this new safety surfacing at our splash pad.
Our mission as a company is to make sure that all splash pads and aquatic surfaces are safe and beautiful. That is our #1 goal as a company, and we have certainly been able to achieve it here. I hope everybody enjoys it. It was certainly a pleasure to do this contest, and Kelly's been great to work with. The city has been great to work with, and I don't want us to take up too much time. It's time for the kids to play.
The challenge was, funding and making sure that we could, continue to keep our facilities in great shape and looking good. And so the grant was an awesome opportunity for the city. Our pool and our pool house over here, it fits in so nicely with it.
But it's absolutely beautiful. And after reading up on it and studying how it's a safety feature, it's UV resistant, it's easy to clean, I mean, those were all the types of things that we were looking for and hoping for. I think just having the color just makes it pop. So when people drive by, when the neighbors walk by, when the kids get off the school bus, it draws their attention and they are ready to use it.
It's a tremendous difference because of what before. Well, just kids just running around pretty much, just kind of, they just had the playground area because the pool mostly, it's not, it's closed and whatnot, and it have to be like a lot of lifeguards because of the depth of the water. So now they have a chance where they can just run, you don't worry about nobody drowning, so, without the lifeguard.
Concrete is not very forgiving, as most of us know from our own childhood experiences, and it's also super hot. And so that combination and also cracking, it just doesn't make it a very attractive place to want to come play. We hope this draws in the neighborhood kids who are 3 and 4 years old who want to come play, and then they look right across from the splash pad and they see the Andrew Belle pool. And we want them to say to their parents, hey, I want to learn how to swim. I want to take swimming lessons.
Working with Life Floor and working with Inside Edge was a great experience for us. Everybody was professional. So yes, I would highly recommend Life Floor to others.